Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to get Blackmagic camera app on Android. The Blackmagic camera app only works on selected Android phones, mainly newer Samsung Galaxy and Google Pixel models. Older or unsupported devices will not show the app. Then, go to the settings and software update and install the latest Android version to avoid compatibility issues. Now, unlock your phone and launch the Google Play Store app. In the search bar, tap Blackmagic Camera and press search. Next, make sure the developer name is Blackmagic Design Inc. to avoid fake or copy apps. Install the app. Next, tap Install and wait until the download and installation process completes. Once installed, tap Open or launch it from your app drawer. Grant access to camera, microphone, storage, and media so the app can function properly. You can now use professional features like manual ISO, shutter speed, white balance, focus, frame rate, LUTs, and codecs. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.